You want to change the colour of a shape layer or fill layer in Photoshop 2025. Go to any of the layers and go here and double click. Change the colour and then click OK. Go to another one, double click and then change the colour and click OK. You can find the Layers panel via the Window menu and Layers. Another option, select the layer, go to the Properties panel, which you can find in the Window menu, and then go to the Fill, click here, and then select the colour here and change the colour again. Another option, select one of the shape tools, select the layer, and then go up here and click and select the colour. And it's changed. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.